Welcome to my channel. When you first tried making videos, did you find that there was something super awkward about how you looked? Chances are you were caught out by the simple error of not knowing exactly where to look. For YouTube videos, it's right down the barrel of the lens, because on the receiving end, it feels nice and personal, as if you're eye to eye with the viewer. In this video, I want to show you some ideas and techniques that will help you get this spot on. First of all, it's okay to be rude. I say that because in day-to-day life, you would be considered rude if you were just staring at someone in an unrelenting way. But this isn't day-to-day life, and your viewer isn't expecting to talk back to you, unless you're on a Zoom chat, but that's another video. If you're finding it difficult and awkward to just stare down the barrel, look at it this way. The more you stare right down the camera, the more confident it looks on the receiving end. Of course, remember to go back to normal when you're talking to people again. The second thing to consider is how to deal with the natural tendency to look away when in thought. This perfectly human reflex happens automatically when you access a part of the brain to recall information. Again, it's expected in face-to-face conversations and happens all the time to the point where we don't even notice it anymore. But on camera, you can easily start to look evasive or distracted. Here's why. Remember that experience when you're in a cafe and the person you're talking to notices something and looks past you over your shoulder. And then they wave at someone or something. What do you want to do? You want to look, of course. You want to find out what or who they were looking at. And that's because the information is outside your peripheral field of vision, which makes you curious. On camera, your viewer's peripheral field of vision is limited to the frame, so any momentary glances away from the camera are subconsciously triggering the same response as the cafe scenario, and it's distracting. Two things we recommend that will help or minimize, maybe even eliminate these problems. Number one, use a teleprompter so that your words are on the screen as you talk. This will save you from trying to recall the information from your long-suffering brain and also keep your eye line right on target down the barrel. Number two, if you're not planning on getting a teleprompter just yet or you don't feel comfortable about performing to a script, consider at least our chunking method. Have your bullet points down and film them in small chunks of information one at a time. Put the above techniques into practice and you'll notice you can do it much easier without the pressure that comes with trying to do your whole video in one take, which we would never recommend anyway, even with a teleprompter. Nice if it happens, but leave the illusion of the single long take for the edit where you can bolt all those chunks back together. But whilst you're here, why not subscribe, because we're on a channel growing mission and we want to show you behind the scenes of how we're doing it. Meanwhile, check out this video on whether or not you should actually use a teleprompter or not, or this video about how to edit videos just like this.